Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in Malta. We'll cover everything you need to know, from understanding the initial requirements to successfully submitting your application. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you have all the correct information. We'll discuss key documents, the application steps, and what to expect regarding timelines and costs. Let's get started on your journey to working in Malta. To begin, you must secure a job offer from a Maltese employer. This is a fundamental requirement for your work permit application. You will also need a valid passport, ensuring it has at least 6 months of remaining validity. Your employer plays a crucial role, as they must complete specific application forms on your behalf. Additionally, prepare your educational certificates, professional qualifications, and a detailed curriculum vitae. These documents are vital for a successful submission. The application process officially begins when your employer submits the necessary paperwork to the Identity Malta agency. You will then need to provide the fully completed application form along with all your supporting documents. Be prepared to attend an interview if the authorities request one. There is an application fee, typically around €300, which must be paid. After these steps, you will await the final decision on your work permit. Patience is key during this stage. Typically, the processing of your work permit application takes between 2 to 3 months. To avoid delays, ensure all your documents are accurately translated into either English or Maltese. It is always a good idea to regularly check the official Identity Malta website for any updates or changes to the process. Be ready to provide any additional information if requested by the authorities. Once approved, your work permit is usually valid for an initial period of 1 year. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.